How to register Bolt driver's account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can register Bolt driver's account. For this, you want to open the Bolt drivers app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Bolt driver app. This is the application you want to install on your device. After it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now on the home interface, you want to tap on the sign up option. Then it will take you to this page. Here, in order to sign up, enter your email address. Once you enter that, the next step is to enter your mobile number. Then tap on this drop down menu and select the city you will be driving in. Now check the box that says you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then tap on the sign up as a driver option. Now a verification code will be sent to the number that you have entered. Go ahead and enter that. After that has been entered, you want to enter your personal information. Start by entering your first name, then enter your last name. After that, select your preferred language. If you have a referral code, enter that over here. Then it's going to ask you if you have multiple vehicles. Then enter the type of vehicle you will be driving. Now enter the vehicle manufacturer or model. Now enter the vehicle year. After that, enter your license plate. Then select the color of your vehicle. After that, tap on the next option. Now you will have to enter your national ID. After that, enter your driver license number. If you have a taxi license, check this box and enter your taxi license number. Then tap on the next option. Now you will have to enter your documents, so go ahead and tap on the upload file option and upload all the required documents. Then tap on the next option. After that, follow the on-screen prompts and you will be successfully signed up to Bolt driver's account once your application has been approved. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.